Guys, I love the welcome back guys. It's amazing to be in a kitchen, giving your favorite dish, giving your favorite food. A lot of people say, Chef Ricardo, you're doing chicken all the time. A lot of people know that chicken is one of my main meal on the YouTube channel. I know chicken is very easy to cook, but there's so many, you can do chicken with that more than a million things with chicken, so many. But this recipe is a Chef Ricardo recipe, which if you're at home and you just feel, say you feel bored or you feel tired or feel lazy, you got some chicken inside of a fridge or in the freezer, you take it out and it thaw it and you wash it off with some lemon juice and vinegar. This is how you can marinate it and just quickly oven bake it inside of the oven. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to many people out there who just feel like, I want to do something very quick and easy. That's the easiest thing to grab on chicken. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and also you get a copy of the cookbook on Amazon, 50% off at the moment. A lot of people been buying the book, a lot of people like the book, and a lot of people leave their comments. So see you next time, and hopefully we will do better, we and the team. See you next time, bye bye. Guys, I love the welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, today I got some drumstick and I decided to do something with the drumstick. So first of all, if you have some drumstick in the fridge, and you want to do something, first thing what we're going to do is pop some honey. Honey on the chicken like that. And some mixed herbs. Ketchup for color. Paprika. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Some coarse pepper. And some all-purpose seasoning. Guys, if you notice, I never use any salt in my meat. Some garlic and coriander. It's a teaspoon. I'm using teaspoon. And some everyday seasoning. So as you can see exactly what we're all about with the chicken at the moment. I got some chicken seasoning which I want to put on it. Some chicken seasoning. Nice one. So as you can see, all of those seasoning which I'm already put on it. Then fresh thyme. Second thing is some spring onion, which is I'm cutting up. That's the spring onion. And we're gonna put some white onion to give it flavor also. That's the white onion. I love my white onion. Second thing, I got some garlic. I love my garlic. Natural garlic. Not nice like natural garlic. I just put 2 cloves of garlic on it. Next thing, we're gonna pop some oil. about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're gonna just make sure you got on the gloves. Just marinate it up like this, guys. When you wash your chicken, use lemon juice or white vinegar. Whatever you like to use is up to you. Look at that. That is so fantastic. Beautiful, look at that. Alright. Then after you do all of your work like that, next thing what you need to do, get an oven tray like this one. Wait a minute. What I want to simply say to you guys, you don't have to, you can marinate your chicken from the day before, get it soaked. That's the best way. All of those seasoned. Just on top of it like this. Alright. Preheat the oven first. Gas mark 9 for 35 minutes. Or if you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for half an hour. So we're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake them in the oven for half an hour. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. You can do this any time of the week you like. This is the Chef Ricardo drumstick recipe. Nice and lovely. So I just take the chicken from the oven, but just look at that. Beautiful and really nice. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is some drumstick. And I know it's a nice, lovely recipe that you guys can do at home. Just to share with you guys new ideas and tips and ways how you can do things at home. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team working very hard to give you some good recipe for you to use at home. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like these coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye.